Unleashing the secrets of dog hair, understanding its purpose and function.
Oh, hello there, fellow dog enthusiasts. Leo here, your charming and oh-so-spotty Dalmatian, ready to take you on a fur-tastic journey through the secrets of dog hair. Get ready to unravel the mysteries and have a good laugh along the way. Picture this. Dog hair, it's like our fabulous furry fashion statement. But what's the difference between fur and hair, you ask? Well, fur keeps us cozy and stylish, while hair adds that extra touch of sophistication. It's like wearing a tuxedo or a fancy ball gown, but on our bodies. Dog hair is composed of keratin, just like human hair, and grows from hair follicles embedded in our skin. It serves various purposes, from protection against the elements to communication and sensory functions. The purpose of dog hair: insulation and temperature regulation? Oh, you betcha. We can adjust our fur to keep us toasty warm in the winter or cool as cucumbers in the summer. It's like having a built-in thermostat that never fails. Take that, unpredictable weather. Dog hair acts as a natural insulator, trapping air close to our skin and providing warmth during colder months. Additionally, it acts as a shield against the sun's harmful rays, protecting us from sunburn and overheating. Dog hair growth cycle. Shedding. It's our way of giving back to nature. We have a shedding cycle that rivals the changing seasons. It's like Mother Nature's confetti, but in fur form. Just when you think you've cleaned up all the hair, poof! There's more to go around. Dog hair goes through different growth phases, including anagen, growth, catagen, transition, and telogen, resting and shedding. The shedding process allows us to renew our coat and adapt to seasonal changes. Types and characteristics of dog hair. Long hair versus short hair breeds? It's like comparing a flowing mane fit for a princess to a stylish buzz cut for the trendsetter. Each hair type has its perks and challenges. Long hair? More glamorous grooming sessions. Short hair? Less vacuuming and more cuddling. Dog breeds exhibit a wide range of hair types, including long, silky coats, curly fur, and short, sleek hair. These variations contribute to our distinct appearances and also influence grooming needs and shedding patterns. Grooming and maintenance. Grooming time. It's like a spa day for us pups. Brushing, bathing, and trimming, we're all for it. It's like getting pampered with scented shampoos and having our fur styled to perfection. Who needs a salon when you have a dedicated human stylist? Regular grooming is essential for maintaining the health and appearance of our hair. Brushing helps remove loose hair, prevent mats, and distribute natural oils, while bathing keeps our coat clean and fresh. Trimming certain areas, like nails and paw pads, ensures overall comfort and hygiene. Common hair-related issues in dogs. Excessive shedding and hair loss? Oh, the struggle is real. It's like playing hide and seek with our own fur. Allergies and skin conditions? They're like surprise guests at a paw tie, but not the fun kind. Thankfully, with a little TLC and some magical vet remedies, we can conquer these challenges. Some dogs may experience excessive shedding or hair loss due to factors such as seasonal changes, underlying health conditions, or improper nutrition. Allergies and skin issues can also affect the quality and appearance of our hair. Consulting with a veterinarian can help address these concerns and find suitable solutions. Nutritional factors and hair health. The food we eat. It's like the secret recipe for fabulous fur. Balancing our diets with essential nutrients ensures our hair is shiny and luscious. It's like having a gourmet meal fit for a canine king or queen. Bon appetit! Adequate nutrition plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy dog hair. A well-balanced diet rich in high-quality proteins, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals promotes hair growth, strengthens follicles, and enhances coat texture and shine. Tips for promoting healthy dog hair. Let's spill the kibble on keeping our hair in tip-top shape. Proper grooming practices and regular brushings are like our daily beauty regimen. Choosing the right grooming products and tools? It's like having a fancy salon in our own homes. Who needs the red carpet when you have a well-groomed pup? Regular grooming sessions, appropriate brushing techniques, and the use of suitable grooming products help maintain healthy hair. Selecting brushes or combs based on our hair type and coat condition is essential. Plus, providing a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a stress-free environment contribute to overall hair health. Fun facts and trivia about dog hair. Did you know that certain breeds have hair characteristics that are downright mind-boggling? It's like having superpowers, but with fabulous fur. And did you know that dog hair can be used in surprising ways, like making eco-friendly blankets? We're not just fashion-forward, we're environmentally conscious too. Some breeds have unique hair characteristics, such as hypoallergenic coats that shed less or hair that grows continuously without entering a resting phase. Additionally, dog hair can be repurposed to create environmentally friendly products like insulation materials or even spun into yarn for crafting. So, my dear friends, now you're equipped with the secrets of dog hair. Remember, proper care and maintenance of our fabulous fur is the key to a happy and healthy life. Embrace the shedding, laugh at the hairballs, and always keep a lint roller handy. Because in the end, it's all part of the wonderful and fluffy journey we call doghood. Stay spotty and stylish, my forever friends. Well, what was your favorite takeaway from this video? What other topics would you like me to cover? Do let me know in the comments, and don't forget to show your love by liking and subscribing. Here's the link to my another video, filled with doggo wisdom. See ya!